The boat we're going to tour today is a 2008 Cruisers Yachts 390 Sports Coupe. You can see she's got the hardtop with the hard glass enclosure forward. The boat was just buffed and waxed in August 2020. You can see we've got a stainless steel anchor, windlass of course, spotlight up above. Just give you a quick walk down the starboard side here. So the only canvases on the boat basically enclose the aft area. Those were installed in July of 19, so they're new. You'll see once I step into the cockpit that there's U-zips with full screens. The SeaDek faux teak was added to the boat this year. You see that's on the swim platform as well as throughout the entire cockpit. Sport is currently located in Deltaville, Virginia. See we've got track vision for the TVs. So we'll just step on board. Got a storage area back here in transom. Got an exterior shower right here. As we step in, you can see we've got a nice L-shaped bench seat with table across the back here. There's just a little bit of sun fading across the top of the aft seat, but certainly not unusual. Underneath the helm seat, we've got a cockpit fridge. Over to the individual helm seat. Oh yeah, and you can see the SeaDek here throughout. Storage areas. The boat has twin 370 horsepower Volvo engines with under 850 hours. She has IPS pods, which were fully serviced in December of 19. So engines, pods, and generator were all serviced in December of 19. Boat owner reports maybe 10 hours on the oil since then. You see we've got a double wide companion seat. Those armrests will flip up. Same with the individual helm seat. You can see one armrest is up. So we've got electronic shift and throttles. Here's our joystick control for the pods. We've got a Garmin touchscreen XSV GPS chart plotter. Here's the Volvo digital gauges, VHF radio and autopilot. One of the great features about this boat is the walk-through windshield out to the foredeck. I'm not going to do that today, but and out on the foredeck there's a huge sun pad which is stowed right now and in like new condition. The hardtop also has a great sliding roof that makes it easier to go out onto the bow, and if you want things opened up you can. The Cockpit Air is on. It's about 85-86 degrees today. It's very comfortable in the cockpit. This is strictly a shoes off boat. I'm following rules today. Okay, let's step down below. So you can see we've got cherry wood steps and a cherry wood interior decor. So off on the starboard side here, we've got a large sofa with a cherry wood table. And then across the aft section here is a large sofa. So this is a real open floor plan, you know, similar to what's popular in homes today. There's a huge storage area behind there, which is where the sun pads are at. And it's actually a flex steel fold out bed. So it's a comfortable bed for two. So you can sleep two there, one on the sofa, and then two in the master stateroom forward. Gonna just pan back around over to the port side to the galley. So we have a flat screen smart TV upper. You can see we've got the fridge with the freezer, separate freezer compartment below it. This boat is truly in wonderful condition. No smells. It's obvious that the owners have been non-smokers. Again, beautiful cherry wood, and that's real wood, by the way. It's not a laminate. You've got a cover over the carpets. Even the cover is clean. Obviously a rug here in front of the fridge. And we have a second salon TV, which is a large flat screen. There's a DVD player over here. And then as we move forward, off on the port side forward of the galley, you can see we've got a nice large stall shower with a seat. Very, very clean and well maintained. Our vacuum flush head system. And of course over to the sink and vanity. So in addition to storage down below the sink, we also have some storage up above. Trying to keep myself out of the video. Okay, so moving up to the forward master, you can see below the bed we have a couple of drawers. Got a master stateroom TV and DVD player here. Got a nice large hanging locker. Queen size bed. Very neat and tidy. If you see this boat, I'm very confident that you will not be disappointed. I'm very proud to represent it. Okay, so we're walking back into the salon. So we've got a 2008 Cruisers Yachts 390 Sports Coupe located in Deltaville, Virginia. It's August 20th, 2020. Sport is priced at $189.9. And if you have some questions, please grab a pen and paper. I'll give you my phone number. My name is Mike, and my number is 910-620-9903. Again, it's Mike at 910-620-9903. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video of sport, and I hope to hear from you. Okay, so you thought you were done with me, but I talked the boat owner into showing off a little bit how this boat can literally walk sideways out of the slip. So he had a boat that close in the front. He's walking it sideways out of the slip, this close in the back. So the handling of these pods is nothing short of amazing. All right, thanks again. Hope to hear from you.